Want to make everybody cry? Just kidding! Welcome back to the Ribby Piano for another easy piano tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you the song Married Life from the movie Up. I'm going to teach you most of the theme. We're going to do it in two chunks. Right hand only. Here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to take finger 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're going to put finger 1 on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to learn line by line. It's going to go like this. That's how the first part goes. 3, 5, 3, 2, or F, A, F, E. Give it a try. Ready and go. Good. Now line 2 is basically the same. It goes 3, 5, 3, D. So let's give that a try. Ready and go. Good. So now let's try line 1 and line 2. F, A, F, E. F, A, F, D. Super simple. Give it a try. Ready and go. E, D. Good job. Let's learn line number 3. How that's going to work is you're going to go D, F, D, C. And if you notice, the D was right here, and I take a finger number 2 and crossed over to play that C, because you're going to rock back and hit that D again. So it's going to go D, F, D, cross over to C. Give that a try. Ready and go. D, F, D, C. Good job. And now line 4 is going to go D, A, G, D, A, G, F, D. So it's going to go 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 3, D. Give it a try. Ready and go. D, 5, 4, D, 5, 4, 3, D. Good job. Now let's try the whole section we just learned. Okay, so our thumb goes on D. Starting on line 1. Ready and go. F, A, F, E. F, A, F, D. D, F, D, crossover C. Good job. 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4, 3, D. Good. Now stop, push pause, and learn that part. After you get that part, let's go learn the next part. The next part of the song, line number 5, you're going to keep your hand in the same position, and you're going to play F, G, F, E. 3, 4, 3, 2. Give it a try. Ready and go. F, G, F, E. Good job. Line number 6 is E, G, E, C. So if you see what I've done is my thumb's going to reach over to play that C. So it plays the D, then it plays the C. So it's going to go E, G, E, C. Give that a try. Ready and go. E, G, E, C. Good. Let's try line 5 and line 6. Starting on F. Ready and go. F, G, F, E. Line 6. E, G, E. Reach for the C. Good job. Now line 7 is going to go C, E, C. And then this finger right here that moved over before is going to cross over and hit this black key, B flat. That white key's a B. The key to the left is B flat. So let's practice that for a minute. Play C, and finger 2 plays B flat. C, B. Practice this for a minute because that's going to happen in the song, okay? So let's see. We're on line 7. We're going to go C, E, C, crossover B. Good job. And then it's going to go B, C, B. So it sounds like this. Line 7. Ready and go. C, E, C, crossover B. B, C, B. And it's really B flat. I'm just not saying the flat because there's not enough time to say it. So let's try it again. Line 7. Ready and go. C, E, C, B flat. B flat, C, B flat. Good. And line number 8 is super easy. What you're going to do is finger 2 is right here on this B flat. You're going to slide over to your thumb, lands on A, and you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 1 on A, 2 on the black key, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try that. Line number 8. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes 3, 4, 5. And then it goes back to the very beginning. And you've got like most of the song right there. So let's try the whole second part, starting on line number 5. So put finger 1 on D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and start on line number 5. Here we go. Ready and go. F, G, F, E, E, G, E, C, cross over B, B, C, B. Move your thumb to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Good. Now stop and practice that section until you can do it, and then we'll try putting the whole thing together. You ready? So thumb goes on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting on line number 1, the whole thing. Okay, here we go. Ready and go. And then it would go back to the top and start back at the top. And you got it. Please comment down below any questions you might have, or if you have any song requests, because I want to play what you guys want to learn. Also, I'm going to be doing some giveaways on my Instagram, so go over there and check that out and follow over there. And I hope that you have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye.